Hello, hello, welcome you guys. It's me, Melissa T, and I am here to do a little kit unboxing with our latest Thank Goodness kit. And now this baby starts in March of 2022, and this is what you receive when you want to join Thank Goodness as a purpose partner, do some good in the world, spread some kindness, do random acts of goodness out there, and create a ripple effect of good and happy in the world, but also to make an income while making an impact, which is really important. We have 4 of the best brands in the business, and I can't wait to help you share those out there in your community and share with your friends and family. But here's what happens when you get started. You join Thank Goodness as a purpose partner for $49 US. And you can join in US or Canada, of course. Canadian exchange rates apply. And we are in US and Canada. So either of you can join, which is awesome. But you join and get a kit. Now, why do you want a kit? We call it a kit or a goodie box. Why do you want something to start your business with? Because you need to have something to share. You're starting a business. You need to have some of the products on hand, some of the merch to share out there on social media, share with your friends and family. So are you ready to dive in? Because literally you're joining for $49, but you're getting this goodie box worth $190. That's almost 4 times. Is it 4 times or 3 times? Not good at public math, but that's a huge value for your dollar. So let's dive into this goodie box, okay? So the very first thing that you see is some merch that helps you spread the good news about your new business, which is our signature hat that you can wear while you are sharing your business. I love this. This is super cute. It's unisex, looks good on everybody, and really cute. Wear it to the gym or while you're out and about. So I love the hat. So that's a great touch. I love that we are having some merch with this. So let's dive into some other goodies. So we have a little bit from each brand. So the very first thing that I see is this gold necklace that actually says dream. So here you don't see all of the letters, but it stretches around your neckline and it will say dream. I love that. What a message. What a strong, amazing message to start your business off strong. I love this. So there's a little something from Origami Owl, which is our first brand with Thank Goodness. Our second brand with Thank Goodness is Willing Beauty. And we are giving you our incredible Daydream Moisturizer, which I love our Daydream. It has a little bit of an iridescent glow to it, which I absolutely adore. So it gives you that truly illuminating factor when you put on your day moisturizer. So this is a great way for you to sample one of our amazing products. It has our gorgeous High Five complex in there. This is really, truly dreamy. Then you get a eye palette from our third brand, which is CMYK Cosmetics. We have some eye palettes. We have our amazing mascara, but you will be receiving our nude eye palette so you can play around, share the your eye looks with your friends and family too. So I love this. And let's take a deeper dive into some of our paper products that we have that you're going to be able to share immediately. Love this. Immediately, you're going to have 3 of our Thank Goodness catalogs, which feature all 4 of our brands. They're perfectly, it really brings together how this brand collaborative works so seamlessly. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous catalog that really, truly shares what we are about as a company and shares our brands beautifully. And it is the perfect thing to share when you're first getting started. So 3 of our Thank Goodness catalogs. Then we have 3 of our amazing catalogs from Origami Owl. Now we all know Origami Owl is what everyone knows us for. It has been around for a decade. Of course, everyone knows us really for Origami Owl, and we haven't gone anywhere, you guys. Origami Owl is just as strong as ever. And here are our 3 catalogs featuring our entire lineup of incredible charms and lockets and necklaces and different ways to tell your unique story, our meaningful jewelry, which truly does set us apart in this industry. Our jewelry is not just stuff. Everything has a meaning, and I love that. Now, we've also been coming out lately with a lot of trendy pieces as well that you can pair it with and layer it with. So I absolutely adore it. So 3 of those to share with everybody. Then you've got one of our samples from Willing Beauty. So I really highly encourage you to share this with someone. So this actually features our morning trio, which is 3 of our best-selling products ever, including our incredible Skin Elixir, Born to Glow. Obsessed with this. So this is going to be great for you to share with your bestie and share with her why our Willing Beauty is so amazing. Now, if you've never tried Willing Beauty before, I absolutely encourage you to use this and try the products for yourself and have a testimonial to share. Isn't this box so cute too? It says, hello. I love that. So cute when you open this and you get it in the mail at home. Now, last thing, actually not last thing, because there's a ton of things inside here. So this is a really cute canvas bag that you can put all of these catalogs in if you wish. This is a really fun way to take your business on the go, which I love. But inside here, I've stacked some of our things that you're still going to receive. Really, really cute, thank goodness, wood pen. Your very first boom. This is your very first boom, you guys. These are really fun keychains. You get to keep one and gift one. And gifting one, it says right on the back, keep one, give one. It says do good daily, thank goodness. These are our signature keychains. So you can keep one on your keychain. It's a great reminder. It's a great advertisement for your business. But then you are going to share one with a boom card. Now let's talk about boom cards. And you're going to get a whole bunch of them inside here. Inside this envelope contains a whole stack of these really fun boom cards. This is kind of what we're known for. So we love doing random acts of kindness, spreading goodness in the world. And we usually do it with these boom cards. We're really encouraged as purpose partners to do these random acts. So it says, boom, you've just been hit with a random act of goodness. Let's keep the good going. Brighten someone else's day by paying it forward too. So do this. You're going to have your boom card, you're going to have your keychain, and you're going to share your very first boom. We call them booms. It's kind of fun. So here's a whole stack of boom cards that come in this envelope for you. Really fun. What else is in here? A little pack of stickers, super cute and fun. We have a couple of flyers that teach you all about our Good Start program. We have an incredible program for new purpose partners in your first 30 days, and you can earn a whack. When I say whack, I mean a whole heck of a ton, a lot of stuff. Another goodie box, kind of like this, but with a whole ton of stuff that's different from what you just received. You can earn a necklace, some more samples that you can share. This is a really, really great program. And stay tuned for a future video on that. A little welcome card from our founders, how we make an impact, how to get started. Really informational, useful information. What else in here? We got some pamphlets on our intuitive wellness. This is brand number 4. We have intuitive wellness, problem solving, clean supplements, really highly trusted. We have an amazing doctor on hand that has come up with these formulations. We have Get Clear, We have Good Night, my personal favorite. I do not go to bed without my Good Night. It has completely transformed my sleep habits and feel good. So these are some that you can share with your friends and family as well. So there is a lot of stuff packed inside of this kit. Really, truly, really fun stuff. A little sampling. It's like a little sampling of, thank goodness, what we're all about. A little bit from each brand so you can try it out. You can share it with your friends and family. You remember that you have a free online boutique link, and it is active the second that you join, and you can share that immediately, which means, guess what? You can start making money immediately. The moment you join, you should announce your business to the world. And I know that your friends and family are going to come out and support you, and they're going to be really excited to try some of these amazing things that you're going to be sharing. These are all, I love our jewelry, and I think it stands out. It is so different from anything else that's out there because it's so meaningful and personalized and custom. But I also love our skincare and our makeup. It is so clean, and it has changed my skin and my makeup game completely, as well as the supplements. So we have such an amazing brand collaborative, and I can't wait to help you get started. I hope you have enjoyed this kit unboxing. We have just launched this kit in March of 2022. I'll keep you posted if things change, but currently this is the kit that you will get with all of these amazing goodies. And if you want to join us, check out the link down below in the comments for you to get started with, thank goodness, a brand new company in the social selling industry. Truly a ground floor opportunity in one sense, but in the other sense, it's not, because it has an amazing background of incredible CEOs and founders that have been running with Origami Owl for the past decade, are now the masterminds behind this brand collaborative. So you are in amazing hands with an amazing background, and I can't wait to help you get started as well with thank goodness. And the dream team would love to have you aboard our amazing team of purpose partners. We have incredible incentives and training. You go into business for yourself, but you are not by yourself at all. We have a ton of fun. We have an amazing community, and we can't wait to welcome you there too. See you later.